Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow on Facebook. All right, there are multiple ways on how to unfollow on Facebook. For example, these are people right here on your homepage, all right, or on your wall, as some call it. Let's say, for example, this guy right here. To unfollow them, just hit on the friends button right here, tap on it, and hit on unfollow. Do note, unfollowing does not unfriend the person, all right? By simply unfollowing, you won't be able to see any of his or her post. If you want to unfriend them, here's the option. And if you want to block them, tap on the three dots right here and hit on block. All right. Another option, if you can see the particular person or page right here that you wanted to unfollow, just go ahead and go to your profile, tap on your profile. And in here, as you can see, you can go ahead and just tap on friends right here and you'll be able to see your friends list. Now to unfollow them, just tap on the three dots besides the profile, which is right here, tap on it. And as you can see, unfollow button is available. If you can't find the person right here, just go ahead and use the search function and locate the person. For example, this one right here. Again, just tap on the three dots and hit on unfollow, block, or unfriend. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.